Guys, I'm back with another video. Just for a warning, if you're trying to go back to the 613 hair, like exactly back, it's not gonna work. It's gonna be icy blonde. Every time you do this, it's not gonna be exactly 613. It's always gonna be an icy blonde. So just stop right here if that's what you're trying to do, because it's not gonna help you. But first off, we're gonna start off with some piping hot water, almost boiling. And I'm using this old wig I have. It's just purple. I'm tired of it. I want to switch it up. I'm broke, so I'm doing what I do. But you're gonna need some baking soda, some dishwashing liquid. You can use the blue one, orange, doesn't matter. Make sure you put like a generous amount of both dishwater liquid and baking soda, but mostly put a lot of baking soda.
I know you think that you know me, but you ain't even seen my dark side. It's just if you hold me, so baby do it right, do me right.
Also, don't mind my pot. This is my signature pot I use for watercolor method, so it's kind of red. But I'm just dipping the whole thing in there. It's not gonna mess it up. And you're gonna leave it in there for 35 to 40 minutes. I left it in there for 30, but I should have left it in there longer. I thought I could leave it in there less because it's like a lavender color and it's light. But just leave it in there for about 35 or 40, or just keep checking on it, and you can see the dye coming off of it in the water. Okay, so now I'm just gonna pour all the water out and rinse it out. Mind you, this is gonna take 2 to 3 attempts. It just really depends on the hair color or just how it's doing, but most of the time it's really just gonna take about 3 to 4 times of you doing this. So yeah, I'm just gonna rinse it out and then do my second go round. The only part I hate about this is that the hair just gets so tangled, but I mean, keep a brush on you while you're doing it because the hair is gonna get tangled.
But you ain't even seen my dark side. It's just if you hold me, so baby do it.
Okay, so now I'm just doing my second go round. You can also add dandruff shampoo if you want, because I know dandruff shampoo lifts color. So yeah, just a little tip.
Dark side.
I love how you can literally see the hair dye in the water just coming off of the hair. Okay, so now I'm just doing my third round, and yeah, I'm gonna let you guys watch the video. Okay, this is how the hair turned out. I was gonna keep doing it for a 4th time, but I actually liked the color. It was actually cute, so I kept it that gray color. I'm not sure why it turned gray, but if you're doing this, it's gonna turn into icy platinum blonde. Not gray, but I actually like the color, so it's cute. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.